Hello sir, my name is Devanshee and I became a part of the AMC team back in class 12. I distinctly remember my first interaction with sir was over a Zoom call where he asked all of us to write down our goal for class 12, and I was really stunned to find out that I actually achieved every goal that I had written when I got my 12th results, and the credit goes to Sanjay sir and the entire AMC team. So I actually attended all the classes online since I'm based in Delhi and I could not actually go to AMC class and attend it physically. And the only time I did actually get to meet Sanjay sir was after I got my results, and it was great to finally see him in person. And being online classes, it never really felt like any difference because I got all my doubts cleared by him, my artwork was checked by him, every single detail was cleared by him. We even actually discussed previous year questions in the class. We used to have sessions before our exam date just to motivate us and just to prepare ourselves just before the exams. He would always motivate us to do better, which is why I'm really grateful for him and the entire AMC team. And I'm very pleased to inform that right now I am a first year architecture student at Maulana Azad in National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Thank you, sir, and the entire AMC team.